Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah. Tired of the same old look this Christmas. Ready for your holiday decor to truly shine. Stop scrolling, you've arrived at the perfect place. Welcome to the holiday decor station. At home with Lisa. I'm sharing my whole lifestyle right here. Get ready for do-it-yourself projects, holiday decorating, and a peek inside my beauty lounge too. I'll give you everything you need to make your home sparkle, glow, and shine. My name is Lisa, subscribe.
Hello and welcome to At Home with Lisa Christmas series. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. Today you all, we are going to be doing a simple, quick and easy table styling for everyday use for the holidays. And I wanted to bring you guys along so you can see how you can set your table up. It doesn't have to be extravagant, but it can look beautiful at the same time. Also, before we get into this video, I wanted to remind you guys that Blessness will be coming back this year, and it will be held December the 1st through the 5th. So make sure you put your post notifications on. We will be premiering, and when I say we, I'm talking about Design with Emma and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. We will be premiering each day on our channels at different times. So make sure you watch out for the thumbnail because it will have the times on there. We will be doing cash giveaways, so make sure you are in the premieres. And also at the end of Blessmas, we always bless someone with a larger cash app, and we also help out a family for the Christmas season. So make sure you mark your calendars, guys. If this is your first time here, welcome. I so appreciate you for tuning in on today. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. And also, too, I want to thank Gio for creating this intro and outro song for me for this Christmas season. And also, I want to thank Design with Emma because she was the one who referred me to her. So, if you want a song, some intros, outros, y'all go and check out Gio. I'll put her information down in the description box. Now, y'all know before we style the table, we go ahead and we clean it. So that has been done, and now what I am doing is I'm going to be using this linen black and white diamond lattice table runner to do my everyday styling table here on today. So I thought it was perfect for my decor on the table because this is one of the shapes that I will be using on my Christmas tree and in my Christmas decor. So when I saw it on Amazon, I thought, okay, this is going to be perfect on the table. And I do have another one, so I'll probably be like switching it out. But for now, I want to go ahead and include it and add it on my table. Again, this is not going to be a full table scape. This is just a table styling for everyday use, you guys. We can use this to sit down and eat without having to remove everything off of the table. So I hope this is something that you are interested in, whereas you may be able to create this look on your table. Not necessarily with the same colors or the same patterns, but hey, you get it, just to give you some ideas that you can run with yourself. Y'all say hey to hubby. He's in the background. He's in the kitchen cooking us a little snack. Because I've been down with this cold here, you guys. It seems like it does not want to go anywhere because y'all know this is cold and flu season, but I think it's getting better and better by the day. But these two bows that I'm using here, they are both very textured here, and it's two, as you can see. I used the base and then I put the smaller one inside of it just to give it a little bit of height on the table. And then we're gonna go in with these I'm just gonna say a light gold stems here for the table to make a cute little arrangement here. height on a table when you're styling a table is very, very important. It gives great elevation and it gives it a cohesive look to how you're styling your table. So far, I hope you guys have been enjoying the Christmas series videos. And I'm trying to do every other day just to give myself a break and at least to give you guys time enough to watch the video without doing them back to back to back to back to back. Okay, now I'm going in with these beautiful candles that have like the Christmas tree on them in gold. I thought they were so cute to go into these black candle stands that I am using here. And these candle stands that I have here, they are two different sizes. I did pull them out of my stash. It's not something that I went out and bought here. I think the only thing that's new in this table styling would be those candles and the table runner. Everything else I'm bringing back. Now these are some more candle stands here in the shape of an ornament, and it has like the little light as you can see here. And I thought they're so cute, and it's cute at nighttime as well too. But I don't really use them. I really don't turn them on because like I said, this is basically just an everyday look for us to be able to use. Now, without further ado, I can't forget y'all to do the outfit of the day. Now, during this Christmas season, you're going to get an outfit of the day or you're going to get a pajama of the day. So let's check out this outfit of the day. I just decided to throw on a brown plain jersey and gather it to the side because it was very, very long because y'all know I am a shorty. And then I did get my hair done a little bit, you guys. It's it's okay. I don't know how I'm feeling it yet because I like the short look. This has a little bit of a length to it, but hey, I'm gonna rock with it for a little while. And then I just have on these distressed jeans here, and I did throw on a little bit of a basic makeup look. Hope y'all enjoyed the look. Now, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the reveal. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please don't forget to mark your calendars, have your notification bells on for Blessness. This will be the second year that we are bringing Blessness to you guys. So I thought the black, the white, the neutrals, and the golds really went hand in hand with this table styling here. It's a very simple and cohesive look that anyone can mimic, that you can create. And I just love the texture of the vase and the bowl that I am using here. And this is something that I already had again. But also, if you're interested in this table runner here, you can check my Amazon storefront because I do have it on my storefront. And once you click on it, it'll show you other colors and other designs as well too if you are interested. Again, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys because you could have been somewhere else. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and please leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And guess what? At home with Lisa. We'll see you all in the next video. I appreciate you all so much. And don't forget, when the video is over, just click on over and leave me a comment to let me know that you were here, that you watched it, and all. Oh, y'all, this cold, I tell you, it's taking my energy. Whew, good gracious. Y'all just pray for your girl. Pray for me, please. Pray for me. Pray for me. Happy prayers, happy thoughts, y'all. But anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And At Home with Lisa is going to see you guys in her next Christmas series video. Bye-bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
And by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.